Mark, I see on your business card you're described as the service sales manager for Auma UK. So how does your job differ then from your colleagues who call themselves account managers?
I think my account manager colleagues tend to work more with specifiers and designers. My job involves working a lot more closely with plant owners and operators.
So what then are your specific customers looking for in an actuator?
Well, increasingly these days they're looking for maximum reliability out of the installed base to ensure that they're getting maximum efficiency out of their plants.
So I think you're talking here about maintenance. So how can your actuators help the plant users better schedule their maintenance activities?
Well, increasingly these days, the actuators have a lot more intelligence built into them. They're able to monitor a lot more conditions. So we can look at trends on how a valve's operating, for instance. And if we're seeing an increase in torque, we can use that to say that it's an indication of possible wear. And that might be something that should be inspected at the next planned outage.
And are there any other benefits your actuators can offer the clients?
Well, these days, there's a lot of capability within the control systems that we offer. So we can also use an actuator to look after a valve, but also to pick up remote signals from other plant devices in that area. So we could, for instance, look at an analog from a flow meter and feed that into the actuator, or a high-level alarm from a tank. We could feed that back as well.
Okay, so this is a bit of a provocative question maybe, but why would an end user want to feed back the signals from his field devices through your actuators? Isn't that going to confuse the situation?
Well, often it simplifies the cabling requirements in that area. It's a pre-engineered solution in the Auma actuator that the customer can use to simplify his overall installation.
Now, a final question, and I'm hoping you've got a crystal ball here. If we go back 50 years, actuators were very simple on-off devices. Now they're intelligent devices. So what does the future hold?
I think actuators will become increasingly simple to commission, both locally and remotely, and that they'll integrate a lot more easily with the sophisticated control systems that a lot of our customers are looking to run these days.